Hello, friends. Today we are going to do a grammar topic, that is the kinds of sentences. In some books, it is written in types, but in some books, it is written kinds. So, we will remember this as kinds of sentences. So, before I begin the explanation of each kind of sentence, I will like to tell you a story.
Did you notice the Wilson brothers and the four types of sentences?
This is a story of the Wilson brothers.
Meet the Wilson brothers. Dan, Doug, Dale, and Dave are all brothers.
So Dan, Doug, Dale, and Dave are all Wilson brothers.
They look alike, they dress alike, but there is one way they are not alike. They all speak using different types of sentences. Whenever Dan talks, he asks questions. These are called asking or interrogative sentences. Dan always wants to know everything. What are we having for dinner? Where are we going? Why are you doing that? What is 2 plus 2? How old is the Earth? Did you notice that all of Dan's asking sentences end with a question mark? Whenever Doug talks, he uses exclamations. These are called exclamatory sentences. Doug is always excited and full of energy. He shows that through his sentences. Wow, this is so amazing! I can't wait to go again. Watch this! I love you! Get out of my way! Did you notice that all of Doug's exclamatory sentences end with an exclamation point? Whenever Dale talks, he declares things. These are called telling or declarative sentences. Dale is a walking fact machine. He can tell you almost anything you want to know. It is raining outside. Cats like to sleep in boxes. I am very smart. We had hot dogs for dinner. New York is a state. Did you notice that all of Dale's telling sentences end with a period? Whenever Dave talks, he demands things. These are called commands or imperative sentences. Dave is always ordering people around and commanding them to listen. Put the dishes in the sink. Stop bugging me. Let's play a game. Give me that toy. We're leaving right now. Did you notice that Dave's commands end with either an exclamation point or a period? By now you know the four types of sentences: asking or interrogative, telling or declarative, exclamations or exclamatory, commands or imperative.
Now let me take you back to my video. So coming back to our video. So the four kinds of sentences: declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamative. Now let us see the difference between all four of them. Declarative sentence is a statement. Interrogative sentence is a question. Exclamatory sentence is a exclamation, excitement. Imperative is a command or a request. Let's go through the examples. Declarative sentence means a statement and information. I have a basketball game tonight means you're telling something to someone. You're giving some information. You are declaring something. I just finished reading that book. Interrogative. You are asking a question. Let us look at the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence asks you a question. Will you come to my game? Question mark. Have you ever read this book? Question mark. Interrogative sentences are question sentences. It asks you questions. Exclamatory sentences share some excitement. We won the game, and it is ending with an exclamation mark. This is the best book I have ever read. Again, an excitement, a sudden feeling. Imperative is a command or a request. Please come and watch me play. Read this amazing book. So, again, these are also, they could end in exclamation mark. Not necessary all of them will end in an exclamation mark. Let's see more examples. Statements gives information. The shoe is red, so they are giving you an information. Said statement is also called as declarative sentence. Questions ask something. What are you doing? It is also called as interrogative sentence. Command give an order or makes a request. Please pick it up. Stop doing that. It's called an imperative sentence. Exclamation shows a sudden or a strong feeling. It's called exclamatory sentence. I love you. We see a spider. See, this is ending in an exclamatory mark. It may or may not always end in an exclamatory mark. Let me give you an example. One sentence in different forms. Now look at this sentence. He stopped is an information, a declarative. Did he stop is a question, interrogative. Stop, command, instruction, imperative. How he stopped, exclamatory sentence. Now we also need to pay attention to the punctuation marks that go after the type of sentence. After the statement, there's always a period, a full stop. Statement ends in full stop. Command ends in a full stop, or may sometimes, sorry, this doesn't look like a full stop, ends in a full stop, or may sometimes end in an exclamatory mark. Question mark. Question asks in a question and it ends in a question mark. This is a question mark. Exclamatory sentence, excitement, shows emotion, ends in a exclamation mark. Okay, let's see another example. Declarative sentence. I have a blue dress. My sister is in first grade. I am watching a movie. Interrogative sentence. When are we eating? How do you play this game? Where have you been? Imperative sentence. Let me mark it different colors. Imperative sentence. Instruction. Clean your room. Do your homework. Please. Request. Pick up those clothes. Command. Then exclamatory. The dog has fleas. My hair is on fire. The car has a flat tire. So these are examples of kinds of sentences. And which are the 4 kinds of sentences? What are the spellings? Main part. We always learn to identify the kinds of sentences, but we often forget to write the spellings. So I want you to write each spelling 5 times so that you learn it by heart. Declarative. Let me tell you how to write the spelling of declarative. D-E-C. Declarative. I-V-E. Declarative. Let's write another sentence. Type. Interrogative. I-N-T-E-R-R. Interrogate. I-V-E. Interrogative. Let's write another sentence type spelling. Exclamatory. E-X-C-L-A. Exclamatory. M-A-T-O-R-Y. Matory. Exclamatory. And the next sentence type is let's revise. Declarative, interrogative, exclamatory, imperative. Impair. I-M-P-E-R. Imperative. T-I-V-E, imperative. So this is how you write the spellings. Please write the spelling, each spelling 5 times. Declarative, interrogative, exclamatory, imperative. Okay, let's watch a quick video.
Words, and it is having 3 important characteristics. Firstly, it expresses a complete thought or idea.
First of all, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which expresses a complete thought or an idea.
Is a group of words, and it is having 3 important characteristics. Firstly, it expresses a complete thought or idea. For example, blue sky is the. This is a group of words, but is it conveying any meaning? No. So, it's not a sentence. Now, rearranging the same words, we can get a meaningful sentence. The sky is blue. Now, we get to know about the color of sky from the sentence. And as it is conveying the meaning, it's a sentence. Second very important characteristic of a sentence is that it must have a subject and a verb. Now, there's a catch here. Sometimes the subject is not given but understandable. For example, put the book there. Here, the subject is not given, but you is implied subject here. Third and the most important characteristic of a sentence is that the meaning of any sentence may be different based on different expressions. Now, this expression may be of a statement, a question, a command, or any exclamation. Based on different meanings or thoughts, sentences are mainly divided into 4 types. First, declarative sentences. Second, interrogative sentences. Third, imperative sentences. And fourth, exclamatory sentences. Let's understand each of them. First, declarative sentences. Declarative sentences tell information about anything and they end with a period. For example, a dog is man's best friend. Here, we are telling an information based on experiences that a dog is always a best friend of man. The sandwich is very tasty. Here, we are telling an information about the taste of sandwich. She is a beautiful girl. Here, we are defining or informing the beauty of a girl. Notice, all of them end with a period. So, declarative sentences just state facts. Let's look into next sentence type. Interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are used to
The spelling here of interrogative is wrong. It is interrogative.
ask a question. They end with a question mark. For example, who are you? Where is my book? This type of sentence. Imperative sentences. An imperative sentence gives command or asks for request. Usefully, an exclamation mark is used, otherwise a period is used. You are giving any command or asking for any help or request, imperative sentences are used. Let's look into next and the final type of sentence, which are exclamatory sentences. When you are surprised or when you are happy or when you are angry, you use after seeing the size of fish. What a beautiful day! Here we are expressing our emotion of happiness after having a very nice day. He is such a nice boy. Here we are expressing our emotion of satisfaction after meeting a very nice boy. So, exclamatory sentences are used in case of strong emotions or feeling. Sentence.
Okay, so now to end the video, I'll show you a nice song. Let's do a nice song on
Sentences exist, exclamatory help your Aunt Mabel. I exclaim, exclamatory sentences excite to proclaim. I won first prize at the county fair. My little brother just cut his own hair. Interrogative, questions with answers you must give. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. Answer these questions right here and right now. Sentences, four kinds of sentences exist. Exclamatory, declarative, interrogative, and imperative.
So I hope you understood the 4 kinds of sentences, and I shall see you next time. Bye bye.